Good morning. It's Saturday and it's my last day of vacation. We were supposed to go on a north and south Pagudpud tour, but JR changed his mind. He didn't want to anymore. So we're canceling that. Yeah, such a bummer, but I actually just woke up. It's about 8 a.m. So I decided to just take a walk along the beach, the whole stretch up the beach from the southern end all the way up to the northern end of it. Alright, let's do this. At the southern end of the beach, but I'm still going farther. Those are rocks made out of coral. So coral reef siguro tong part na to dati. So from here, makikita na yung ibang mga windmills. Ayan. And ayun. Okay, I'm here sa northern part ng beach. It's actually made up of, like I mentioned earlier, corals, coral rocks. So, the beach actually, or the coastline, is actually walkable up to there. So, pag dinadiretso ko siya, baka mapunta na ako sa ibang bayan, kaya titigil na ako. So, dito, wala nang sand. May resort dito, Punta Garvida. So it gives you a seafront, pero minsan hindi masyadong maganda. If you just wanna wake up with the sea in front of you, this is totally fine. I'm gonna walk back. I'm gonna check out if I can eat something dun sa mga restaurant na nadaanan ko. Okay, dokes. Hey guys, so I'm here sa Apo Idon Hotel. I'm in their restaurant, and it's our last day here in Pagudpud. So I decided to get some me time and decided to treat myself a bit since puro budget over the past few days. This is quite an expensive restaurant. It's about $4 to $5 for the meal. May rice, may spring onion salad, I don't know what that is, and then the sausage and rice. Ganda lang nitong spot nila. They are overlooking the beach, plus you can see the windmills. Let me just show you there. Right over there. Yan, mga windmills yan. Just fix you. So, ayun. Just gonna eat breakfast, enjoy and relax before we check out later before lunch. Past 9 na, so just want to enjoy the moment. Hey guys, so I'm back here in the beach, and the sun, and the sea. so beautiful right here. Sobrang ganda. As in, and look at the view, 360. That's it for this beach. escapade. We're gonna leave in about 30 minutes. Habol lang ako. Alright guys, see ya! Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa pamilihang bayan ng Pagudpod or the Pagudpod Public Market, and we're just waiting for our bus to depart. That's the bus that we're taking, and it's going to Lawag. So ayun, it's been a good 2 days of beach. Sulit ang biyahe going to Pagudpod. Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Ilocos Museum, and it houses artifacts and the history of Ilocos. So we're just gonna roam around and see what there is to see. Entrance fee is 50 pesos for general admission, 10 pesos for elementary. So this is, I think they're showing a typical Ilocano house. Very Filipino still. You can see everything is, the living space is in the second floor. Now we're entering the kitchen. I mean the dining hall. And this is kitchen. And bedroom. We actually have one of these at home, and that's how a typical Ilocano house looks like. These are the musical instruments. Well, I guess that's it for this tour. It's a nice museum. You should definitely come here and experience. See for yourself. We are here sa Ferdinand E. Marcos Presidential Center here in Batak. And unfortunately, hindi namin nakita si Manong kasi nag-brown out. So hindi nagpapasok yung mga staff kasi nga walang ilaw sa loob. So sarado na din yung ancestral home. So we're going sa Paway to see the church na lang. Ayun. Okay. Maybe we can buy some snacks muna. Ice cream.
Gusto mo ice cream?
Sabi daw.
Ha?
Alayag din mo pang-gabat eh. Ayaw kang kuya.
Alright, we're gonna get ice cream first. Dragon fruit ice cream.
Nakapandan mo.
Nice. So from Batak, we took a tricycle. For convenience, though may jeep naman, we took a tricycle going to Paway. And we're here sa Paway Church. The majestic Paway Church. I always wanted to come here and see the church. This is one of the few celebrated Baroque churches here in the Philippines. This church showcases an earthquake Baroque feature. So if you look at the church, the pillars are quite big, and there's this earthquake. Forgot what they are called, but these are for earthquakes. See this part, so that if it shakes, it absorbs the force. This is quite a dream come true for me. I love churches. I definitely love churches, and seeing one of the celebrated and famous Baroque churches is definitely a dream come true for me. Stones that were used for constructing this church were actually coral. Yeah, corals. They used corals to build this church. See, let me find one. See that one? Okay. See, most of them are corals. So, see here. This one's obviously a coral. So, that's why this church has survived for so many years. And I'm truly grateful that I am able to see it today. I guess this is also the end of this Ilocos trip. From here we're gonna be going to Vigan and then take a bus going to Manila. Thank you so much guys for taking the time and watching my videos here on YouTube. And I really do hope that I'll catch you up on the road one of these days. If you see me in an airport or anywhere, just let me know. Maybe we can have some snacks or whatsoever. But again, thank you so much. And this is Ian. Visit brownmantrips.com, thebackpackerguy.com, and don't forget to subscribe and share my videos so we can make more of them. Alright? Well, I'll see you guys on our next trip. And this is... Oh no! I want you guys to see the church. Bye. Alright, one last stop before we go home is this place. This is where one of my favorite movies was shot. Starring Mario Maurer and Erich Gonzalez. So this is where this is where Erich Gonzalez's cupcake store is located, or was located in the movie. And this is now it's just a bunch of stores with a bank and a restaurant. So it's enough for me to see this plaza, and I'm good to go. And this is right in front of the church. Alright, see ya!